Okay, to get more information on the state of our memory and the objects that are taking up space, we can use a handy tool called Heap Viewer. Now with Heap Viewer, you can see how much memory a process is using at certain points in time. Now as before, if you want to follow along, go ahead and start Android Studio and bring Sunshine to the foreground on your connected device.
In order to start Heap Viewer, you'll want to start Android Device Monitor first, and there are a few options to do that. One way is through the Tools menu, where you can click on Tools, Android, and Android Device Monitor, or you can click on this nifty Android icon here in your toolbar at the top. So I'm going to do that in Android Device Monitor starting. Then we're going to want to go ahead and click the DDMS tab, because the Heap Viewer is one of the DDMS tools. And we're going to go over here to the left, and we're going to select the app we want to profile. So we're going to select Sunshine. Now I'm going to pull up this panel down here. So once you have Sunshine selected, you're going to want to select this Heap tab to get more information. Now initially you might not see much, but you notice this little hint here at the top that reads Heap updates will happen after every GC for this client. Why don't we go ahead and click on this and cause a GC to update your data. Whoa, look, we have all this new information now. Now the table updated and shows you what data is currently available and alive on the heap. If you want to get some more details, go ahead and select a single data type. I'm going to click this class object. Now you'll see a lot of data will update in the panel down below. You can now see a histogram for the number of allocations and also the specific memory size for that data type. In this case, we're talking about the class object. Now the Heap Viewer is really helpful to see what types of objects your application has allocated, as well as how many and what sizes they are on the heap. Again, here we see the total sizes of particular types on our heap. Like for example, there's over 1,400 2-byte arrays on our heap that's taking about 120 kilobytes. Whereas there are only 27 1-byte arrays, and it's roughly only taking up about 2 megabytes. Now the Heap Viewer is really helpful to see what types of objects your application has allocated, as well as how many and their respective sizes on the heap. For example, if we look here, we have 27 1-byte arrays that are taking up roughly 2 megabytes of data. And then we have about 2,000 4-byte arrays that are taking up currently 228 kilobytes of data. This information is super helpful when you're trying to track down memory leaks.